Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today's video is another hair treatment video. Just in case you're suffering from any form of hair breakage, hair thinning, your hair is getting brittle, you used to have full hair but now your hair is getting thin. This treatment I'm about to show you guys is going to help thicken your hair, add some volume to your hair, and also keep your hair healthy and also prevent your hair from any form of scalp diseases. So for this treatment, we are going to be needing just two ingredients. And our first ingredient is what is called nettle leaf. Nettle leaf is very beneficial for healthy hair growth. It does not only help to prevent hair loss, it also helps in regrowth of lost hair and also help in restoring the original color of your hair. And above it all, it helps to increase your hair volume. You can use any measurement of your choice depending on how long or short your hair is. So our next ingredient, like I said, we are using just two ingredients for this treatment, is what they call basil leaf, which is also popularly known as scent leaf, our typical scent leaf. The only difference is that this one is dry. Basil leaf is very beneficial for hair treatment. It helps in relieving hair dryness and itches on the scalp and also help in improving blood circulation. This leads to the optimal nourishment of your hair follicles and also help to induce new growth. So I'm just going to mix these two mixture together and go on and pour in my hot water. When I mean hot water, I mean hot water that really boiled to 100 degree. So I'm going to be using 1 cup of water. So like I said earlier, you can actually use any measurements of your choice depending on how long or short or how voluminous your hair is. So guys, at this point, I will go on and add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Let me remind you that this particular oil is totally optional, but because I have high porosity hair, which means my hair quickly dry out, so I usually add oil to all my ingredients. But you can go ahead and use this without the oil, but you can add any oil of your choice, maybe coconut oil, almond oil, any oil you want to add at all, especially if you have high porosity hair like mine, which means moisture dry out of your hair quickly. So this oil is totally optional. The main ingredients for this treatment is just the basil leaf and the nettle leaf. And then again, one of the benefits of the oil is that because this is totally spray, this is hairspray, so you will end up with some moisture in your hair after spraying this, and your hair won't quickly dry out. So you just leave it here and let it sit for like about 1 to 2 hours. Make sure that everything has infused into the water. And because you use hot water, you just let the water cool down. Make sure it sits inside for a while before you strain it out. Straining it out, you can see that the color of the water has automatically changed, which means a lot of the content from the leaves has infused into the oil, and this automatically make the whole spray very potent. So at this point, you can use your filter, anything at all you want to use. Strain out the leaf because we are not going to be needing the leaf. The most important thing that you need in this treatment is this spray. And at this point, you go ahead and transfer this into your spraying bottle. This treatment is a leave-in, which means you don't have to wash it out. You can just apply this, you can spray this into your hair and just put your hair in a protective style or just twist your hair. You can leave this inside of your hair. You don't really need to wash it out because it's totally safe. So guys, for the color, it's going to give you this brownish color. And then I want to point out that it doesn't really smell the best. This is purely natural ingredient, so you don't expect it to have like a scent. This have like, it has this organic kind of smell. So guys, but then again, the smell is not horrible. It just give you that kind of Lipton kind of smell, if you know what Lipton is. So it's not that horrible, and you can use this twice in a week. So I'm going to spray this and let you guys see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. You guys can see that it's giving me that shiny look because of the oil that I added. Just in case you have high porosity hair, it's advisable you add oil. So guys, this is what my hair looks like you guys know already. I'm going to show you guys how I apply this to my hair. So I just put down my hair from a protective style, and this is what my hair look like. So I'll go ahead and show you guys how I apply this to my hair. Currently my hair is clean and dry, obviously. So like I said, you apply this to a clean hair because you can leave it in your hair. But if you're washing your hair in like 2 to 3 days, you can apply this and maybe wash it off on your wash day. But if you just washed your hair, it's totally safe. You can leave it in your hair. So I just spray this into my hair, my scalp, because the nettle leaf inside of this treatment contain anti-inflammatory properties, which means it's going to help for your scalp inches, reduce scalp inches. It's also going to help clear your scalp of any form of scalp diseases like dandruff, scalp dryness, and all of that. So for this treatment, it's going to help increase the volume of your hair. If you're the type that is suffering from hair breakage, or your hair is thinning out, or maybe you used to have full hair, all of a sudden you feel like your hair is getting brittle, you can use this treatment to bring back the volume of your hair. And again, I want to mention that I share a lot of hair videos like this on my channel, giving you guys a lot of options to pick from. That's the reason for my channel. I share a lot of hair treatment videos, so you can pick the one that's easy for you. You can pick the one that you can access, or the ones that their ingredients are affordable for you, or even the ones that you feel like you can get the ingredients within your area or your country. And I also want to mention that when you're applying this, please apply to the ends of your hair. Don't forget that the ends of your hair is the oldest part of your hair, and if your ends is not breaking, you'll be able to retain length. A lot of people want to grow longer. What are you doing to retain your length? That is the question. The real fact about growing long hair is, no matter what you do to grow your hair, if you're not retaining your length, believe me, you're not going to see the growth of your hair. Just imagine your hair growing out of your scalp and it is shedding off. That means the length of your hair will remain the same. I keep on telling you guys all the time. So at this point, for you to grow that longer hair simply means the length of your hair. That is just it. Length of your hair. And for you to retain length and grow your hair long, you need to prevent your hair from breaking or shedding. By doing this, you're going to see the length of your hair and your hair is going to grow longer. So I'll make sure this whole spray touches every strand of my hair. At this point, you can go ahead and put your hair in a simple protective style and you're good to go for the week. And again, before I forget, a lot of you guys have been requesting for a hair growth challenge. I've gotten a couple of comments related to, will I ever do a hair growth challenge? Okay, I've actually been thinking of this, so I am planning that next month, maybe from next month to the end of this year, we are going to do a hair growth challenge. That's 6 month hair growth challenge. So this challenge, I'm going to be incorporating some treatment I am going to be sharing with you guys in my video, maybe in my future videos before the day for the challenge. And we are going to be growing our hair, and let's see how many lengths you can grow in 6 months. Let's see how long your hair can grow in 6 months. I'm actually very excited about this challenge because I also want to see how long my hair will get in 6 months. So guys, I'm going to still talk about this in detail. On my channel here, I share a lot regarding hair, how to grow healthy hair, treat your hair. If this is kind of video you like to watch, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.